Cops, who's the dumbest criminal you've ever seen? I was driving down a road late at night when a car passed me, clearly speeding. I wasn't going to pull them over or anything, but then I noticed the passenger's window roll down and the guy hangs his upper body out while giving me the finger. I still wasn't planning on pulling them over, but since what he was doing was dangerous, I flashed my lights a few times to get him to stop. Unfortunately for him, he decides to do the exact opposite. He keeps going, but started yelling, "Frick the police." He was asking for it now. I got behind them and ran the plate, and this is where it gets good. It immediately comes back that the car's registration was suspended, the owner's license was suspended, and he had 2 warrants out for retail theft. I flip my lights on and pull them over, and as soon as I get out, the 3 of them start with the free speech thing. They were yelling that I couldn't pull them over for giving me the finger or swearing, which is completely true. But then I pointed out that I could pull them over for the passenger not wearing a seatbelt. They all went silent. I told them I almost let them go until he decided to start screaming. After that, I couldn't help but notice the suspended license and registration, and was now taking the driver to jail for his 2 warrants. I'm betting he never did that again. Cops, who's the dumbest criminal you've ever seen?